shoes, man. Yeah, go bark. Go bark at that car. Roar. Hey, look at back. Don't go too far. No. Okay. You can go here, but don't come back here. You naughty. Come back. So naughty. Come on. No. What's looking? There's like a little pink sticky. I'm gonna sit here. And there we go. Oh, there's dog crap down there. I think that's dog crap. That's so good. I have it in my mouth. Okay, I'm gonna cut the clip a little bit forward. I'm gonna put it in slow motion and I'm gonna go in. Well, yeah, I'm gonna act like I'm gonna run, and then I'm gonna act like I'm gonna run. And I'm not gonna run. I'm just gonna let her run. Sorry, I'm sick. So, let's cut to the clip. Let's go. I'm gonna leave you for a little while. Look what she does. I'm gonna get her a toy. Here, she got him some toys. Hopefully she likes them too. So I'm gonna cut it again until we have her, and I'm gonna cut it again. We're gonna play with the toys. So see you in 3 seconds. That was fast, okay. So right now, hi guys. I'm my best not to show my face, but here we are. I got it all over the place always. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna get this one over here. Hi. Lulu, you like this, right? Lulu, come here, Lulu. She always does the Brody. Lulu, come here. She's smelling a log. Yes, you're evil. You're mad. You're. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, she's going crazy. Okay, I'm gonna cut the clip again. That was one of my basketball toys from my school. I got it. I just bought it for my dog. She loves it so much. Look. One time she was playing with her ball, with her like ball. I don't know if it's still here. Right? Oh, there's still like a ball there. A little. Oh my god. So right there in our yard, well not our yard, but like the lady's yard, we're rooming things. This is her house. We just rented the side of her house. This is the side of her house. Basically, look at that. Look how fierce she is. Holy crap. She loves playing with this toy. Look. Okay. I need you to calm down. Oh my god. Great content. Great content right here. Oh my god. He's going crazy for this little pillow. He's going crazy for a pillow. Lilo, sit. No, sit. Lilo, stay. Sit. Lilo, you want it? You want it, right? You want it, right? You have to sit for it. Okay, calm down. She's going crazy here. I'm gonna go to like to where she can't reach anymore. And she can't reach any more further from here. We have her tied to that little. Oh crap! Oh, she's going for it. Okay, we have her tied to that little piece. So she wants it. 3, 2, 1. Go get it! Oh my god! Rip this. We have your toy, right? Oh, go get it. She's going crazy. So my dad barely takes her out. Like she goes out really long time when I'm here. My dad works a lot, so he barely has time to walk my dog. Like he walks her, but not like these fun things that I do. We do. YouTube. Here's your ball. Getting tired? Go get it. She loves it. Let's try this purple grape thing. I don't know what this is. I think these are grapes. Oh, she's meeting the dog. Let's see if the other... Look. Yeah, I think they like each other a little bit. Yeah, he doesn't really know what to do. I think they eat a little bit. Look, come on. Go. Oh, he's going crazy for that pillow. I wish you were always this crazy. Like this one when this is around. Go get it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try to get her to fetch it, catch it. Okay. Hello, come here. Okay, stay, catch. She doesn't understand it. She doesn't know it's fun. Okay. Does she like the grape thing? Do you like this? She's pretty tired. I'm barely touch. She's getting tired. Okay, she's going again. Okay. You can tell she's tired because her tongue never sticks out. Well, she's tired. Like, yeah, she doesn't want to jump anymore. You want it? Okay, she's still going crazy for that. You're tangled in my leg. Okay. Yeah, no. You stole it. Good job, Lulu. What did that accomplish? Go get it. Oh, she's fetching it. She's like bringing it back to me. No, mine, my toy. I love it when dogs do this the weird face. She's no biting. She bit me a little bit. I think she was playing. No. Wait. Okay. Grab on. No! Come back here. My toy. Okay. Grab what she holds to one. Ha! I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. What are you doing, Missy? Smell my feet. Okay, oh, you like this? You like this, right? Okay, I think you got a little bit more energy. You got it, right? Go get it. I think she has a little bit more energy, but not too much. Yeah, do that. You smoke weed, lady. Miss, Lulu. No, you're not allowed to smoke weed. You're too young. I don't know. I'm crazy. He's never like this. Oh, I'm just giving you a little pet. She loves it. Say hi to camera. Her birthday's still not here. It's in June. Her birthday's in June. I'm gonna make a special video. Yesterday was my birthday. Had a lot of fun. It's gonna go up. I don't have recently the internet has got cut, like the Wi-Fi's got cut, so I can't make videos right now, so hopefully it comes soon. But tomorrow is my birthday party. I will record a little bit of my birthday party, like probably my friends doing a Fortnite dance or something. No, not me, because no, never. And we're gonna eat burgers and hot dogs and yeah. So let's do this. My dog just does not care at all. I'm gonna name this hashtag Super Cooper Sunday. I watch Super Cooper Sundays, and she sometimes is like Coda. Like, she doesn't want to get up sometimes. And sometimes she's Cooper, and sometimes she's just another planet. Right now she's being Coda. Right there, what you saw was really crazy. That's another planet, because Cooper's crazy, but she goes crazy. She was biting me for the toy. Now she's being Coda. Oh, gentle. Come here. Come here, Lulu. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it because it's fun. I love making videos with my dog. Got a little bit, my mom called me on my phone, so right here, she's just wandering around. And then, I was just looking around. Then, out of nowhere, I just looked over here, and there's a lizard thing right there. It looked like a pepperoni was coming at him, out of his mouth. So cool. I'm gonna try to get close without scaring him. Hopefully my dog doesn't realize. I want to be scary. I don't want to scare you. Okay, yeah. Stay calm, don't worry. I'm not gonna hurt you. I just want to see you. He looks like, I don't know, like a dragon. Don't run away. I just want to see you. Oh, that looks like a creepy scene. Okay. Okay. Right now I'm gonna have to go to the beach. I can't take my dog. You want it? Go get it. I'm gonna upload this right now. Hopefully you have a good day. I don't know, maybe I can do a video. I don't think it's like the beach. When I go to the beach, I go to the beach all day. All day. This video and just watch the video. Say goodbye, Lulu. Bye.